Okay, we're going to be assembling this ceiling fan here. So we laid our parts out. So we're starting right here. So we have to put this canopy motor cover on here. So we have to take these screws out. And we'll set this on here like this. And we'll put our screws back in these holes here because it has the smaller openings. There's one. Two. There's three. Now we'll just make sure it's all nice and tight. One. Two. Three. This is the remote control part. The light will plug into here once we get it hooked up. The light goes in here. And the motor plug goes in here like this. And you'll see that little tab there will go up and lock over. And when this end is hooked up to our power, we'll plug into here on that end, and that's the antenna wire. So next, these little rubber pieces have to come out like that, so our motor will turn freely. And these get thrown away, you don't need them. So we'll turn this off. We'll set this aside over here. After we're done, I'll show you the instructions. Okay, so we'll take our light fixture down. bracket goes up on our box. Well, none of these holes match up on the box. So none of these holes here line up with the 4-inch box. So I'll put that back in. Okay, we found the screws that we need. tight. Make sure it's all tight. Okay, so now we'll hook up our power source to the remote control. So first we'll get our wire strippers out. Okay, we'll strip, I'll give them a nice new end here. Strip off about a little bit here. Strip with our 14 gauge hole. Here in the country I was born in, black is live, white is neutral, and the green is the ground. And we'll hook our green wires up first. This is the remote control. So we'll take our ground wires here. We'll get our insulation even here on the bottom. Get it even up here on the end with our solid wire, like this. Take our orange wire knot. We'll just twist it on here. Make sure everything is all connected good here. Now we'll get our wire straightened out so it's nice and straight here. Okay, you get our insulation even at the top and our copper even on the end. Take our wire knot, twist it on so it's nice and snug. Make sure our insulation goes up into the bottom of our wire knot. Take our black, get our copper even at the bottom and our insulation even at the top. Take our wire knot, make sure everything stays together here nice and tight. This is our plug end that will go into our remote control. So we can get that up here. Now we'll plug our power into this one here. Like I showed, there's the little clip end right in here. And you just push it in like, there's the power one. This is the power one right here. And you just snap it in. All three plugs are different, so you can't mix them and plug into the wrong one. So you just push it in until you hear it snap, like that. Hear it snapped in. There's your antenna wire. Now we'll take our fan, we'll hang it on this little hook right in here, and that will let us plug our light wire into this end and plug our motor wire into this one and let it snap in. So we'll just push on them again, make sure they're all in. 1, 2, 3. So this will just go inside here like this. Then we take this off of this and we'll set it up on our screws like that, and it's bayonet, so tighten this one, and we'll tighten this one over here. And we'll put our other 2 screws in, our other holes. Okay, let's make sure our screws are snug. There, now we'll get our fan blades together. Okay, now we can start putting our blades on here. Get all our screws out here. These can go with the white side down or the tan side down. They want the white side down, so take our brackets here and we'll put them on with the like that, and we put 3 screws in each blade. I just had to move that bracket around and line 2 holes up with the box. I had to find 2 holes that line up with the box to put it up. So it just took a little extra time to find which set of holes line up with the 4-inch box that's up there. So there's our blades all together. And these are the screws that hold the fan blades on the motor. It's nice to give you an extra screw in case you lose one. Okay, now we can start fastening our blades onto our fan. The ceiling fan is not very heavy. There we go. Now we'll just put our light just clips on over this. So this plug here just plugs into this plug here. You just line the little notch thing up to plug it in. You'll see a little key here and a little key end here. Plug it in like that. Then you just set it up on here like this. Then you just turn it in, just twist in, and it locks into place like that. See, it just twists in and locks in. So now I'll show you the instructions. You can pause the video to read the instructions. And there's the remote control. Okay. No, it's just a shadow.
Oh, is it just a shadow?
Okay, so we'll turn the light on. So we will turn the...
Is the switch on?
Yes, the switch is on. So I pushed all off. I'll push the fan. Okay, there goes.
There you go.
Okay, there goes the fan. Takes for a while for it to get started. Now let's see. Oh, the light turns on. And there's the light. So how do you like it?
Nice. It's much brighter than the other light that was there.
Okay, now you can, I believe you can make it brighter and dimmer. See how it gets a little dimmer?
Yep. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm glad I went with a little bit of a smaller one.